today I have something new for you. As you can see, I'm already wearing her. So it's called the Velora lace topper. It's very small. It's very lightweight. It's for people who just want a little bit of a light coverage. We're looking for some natural volume, right? Nothing crazy. Really good for people in beginning stage loss of hair. Let me show you. So look how easy it is to take off. You just swoop it on off, okay? Right? So look, I am in the early stages of beginning stage of hair loss. I used to have really thick hair and you know, it's just going away. So I don't feel very confident with this thin top hair. So this is really great for people who just want a little extra oomph, right? Want a little extra volume, but don't want anything crazy. It's very light. The base is small. You'll see it's 3 by 4. This is small. So if maybe you're new to toppers as well and you're not really sure, this is something great to try as well. This is a good like dipping your toes in the water with hair toppers. So let's talk about her. So this is a 12-inch. The color is 62R Vanilla Butter Blonde. I mean, she is gorgeous. Okay, she matches my hair really, really, really well. Only 130% density, which is great, natural. Let me show you how easy it is to put on. Okay, so unclip it. So you fling back, line it up with your natural part, and then we're gonna scoop. We're gonna scoop. You're gonna press it at the same time. You're gonna put your hand on the middle. Keep it from going anywhere, and then you're gonna clip. Get your comb, pick out some of those natural pieces of your bio hair to come out with you so it can blend with it. Look at that, look how nice and natural it is. UniWigs gives you the skin tape. Don't forget to put that on. That just gives it a little bit of a natural, more skin scalp looking. Look at that, just like that. I mean, look. That was so easy. So let's look to the side. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Okay, let me show you the back. Look at that. So nice. So pretty. Look at that. Look how natural. Look at that. How natural that is. Okay. And you can pick out more hair if you want a little bit more hair, right? You just have to play with it and get it comfortable. Look at that. You would never even know. It's just gorgeous. So if you're looking for something a little, like I said, light, thinner, maybe you're new to hair toppers, okay? This is a great place to start, okay? So remember, it's the Velora lace topper. It's brand new. It's a small base topper, okay? Give it a try. You won't regret it.